Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are discussing how to cop and predicting the resale prices of the upcoming Nike Dunk Low Samba. This is the most recent Nike Dunk Low to drop this year and is officially set to release on Friday, August 21st for a retail price of $100. These will also come in toddler sizes for $60, but I won't be discussing those in this video. If you are interested in them, however, you just have to scroll down on the listing on the Nike Sneakers app. All the way at the bottom, you will see that for $60, and you could get that on the same release day as well. Now, these are definitely one of the hottest sneakers dropping this month, and the colorway is an absolute hit in my opinion. We get a nice blend of silver, blue, and red contrasted with a white midsole and white laces to set it off. If you guys are unfamiliar with the history of this sneaker, here is a quick rundown on the screen. Now, these were released as a Japan exclusive in 2001 and are now officially set to be released globally, which is something Nike has done a lot of this year. Overall, I'd say these are a must-have for dunk collectors and a nice pair of everyday sneakers for the casual consumer as well. Getting right into how to cop this sneaker, as mentioned, these will be releasing on the official Nike Sneakers app on Friday, August 21st at 7 a.m. in the morning or 10 a.m. Eastern time. Now, these are going live exactly at 7 a.m. so please note that this is not going to be a draw, and make sure you enter exactly at 7 a.m. when it drops to maximize your chances of getting a pair. It's not really first come first serve per se, but the earlier you enter, the better your chances are of getting a pair. Now, the Nike Sneakers app will carry the majority of the pairs, but to maximize your chances of getting a pair, you should also enter raffles at smaller boutiques. Unfortunately, major retailers such as Foot Locker, Foot Action, and others will likely not be getting these, so we are going to have to rely on local boutiques for the most part. Although there isn't an official store list just yet, I would expect stores that have gotten previous dunks to get these as well. Now, smaller boutiques such as Extra Butter, Concepts, Bodega, Sneakers and Stuff, Undefeated, and End Clothing will likely get these and release them through their raffles, through their apps or websites, depending on the particular store. Now, each store will be doing their own raffles, so as I always mention, I would suggest downloading their apps and following their social media accounts for constant updates as the release gets closer. I will post a link in the comments with the full store list as soon as I have it available, so make sure to check back for updates as we get closer to the actual release date. As always, I would suggest entering for half sizes rather than full sizes, as most people enter for a full size, so entering for a half size will likely give you a slightly better chance of getting a pair in my opinion. A quick example of this would be entering for a size 10.5 instead of going for a size 10. With all of that said, let's get right into the resale prediction of these Sambas. Taking a look at the screen, you will see a few early bids on StockX. Although the release is still over a week away, these current bids are a reliable indicator of where the prices will likely fall around. Of course, all of the previous dunks have started around, $250 to $300, and I'm sure these will be very limited as well, so I see more of the same happening with this colorway. On the screen, you will see a full breakdown of my resale predictions for each size. Now, please keep in mind these are prices once all pairs are in hand, not prices immediately following the release. If you guys are familiar with the sneaker market, basically when a shoe just releases, the prices skyrocket, and then once people get them in hand, the prices drop down. Overall, every size will definitely be very profitable and likely fall around the same range, but the best sizes resale wise will most likely be 3.5 to 5.5. With that said, those sizes are definitely more limited, so they will be harder to get than the more common sizes, so I would suggest going for more common sizes and cutting some profit gains for a better chance of getting a pair. But each person has their own opinion on how they want to manage the release, so do whatever you see fit best. Now, the rest of the sizes will likely all fall within the same range with maybe a $20 variation among them. So once again, do not hesitate to buy a size if you see it, because it will sell for over double the retail price no matter what size you end up getting. As far as selling or holding the sneaker, I would definitely suggest holding on to all pairs for at least 6 months and maybe even more. Every dunk that has released this year has seen a good profit increase over time. Some colors such as the Kentucky and Syracuse dunks have even doubled since the initial resale prices, and a full year hasn't even passed yet. Again, it's going to likely take a few months to see noticeable increases, but if you aren't in a rush to sell, or if you're unsure if you want to keep or sell them, then hold on to it and you will likely see some good increases over time. That about wraps up this video. Once again, I just want to clarify that everything I stated in this video is just my opinion, so please do whatever you see fit best. Let me know what other sneakers you'd like me to do this type of videos on, and if you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos coming soon. Thank you, and good luck copying a pair.